Hey guys, geek into everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is the day number 24. Okay, let's start. Okay, and we're gonna start with the checking my plan as usual. So today is the day number 24, and the topic is web development basics using frameworks like Flask and Django to build simple web applications. Okay, good. So I'm gonna copy this topic and I'm gonna open ChatGPT. What I'm gonna do is asking ChatGPT to provide information for this topic with basic examples. Okay, and I'm gonna pass the topic. I'm gonna remove that, day 24, and I'm gonna add with practical examples. Okay, I'm gonna press enter, and we are waiting for ChatGPT reply. So here we go. Let's zoom it in. Okay. Web development basics using Flask or Django to build simple web applications. Web development frameworks like Flask and Django are powerful tools that simplify the process of building web applications. They provide a structured approach to web development and offer various features and functionalities that streamline the development process. In this article, we will explore the basics of using Flask and Django to build simple web applications and provide practical examples along the way. So, point number one, Flask. So, Flask is a lightweight web framework written in Python. It is known for its simplicity and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for building small to medium-sized web applications. Here is an example of simple Flask application that display "Hello World" on a web page. Okay, you see this line, we just import Flask. So, and in this example, we import the Flask module, create an instance of Flask class, and define a root using the app root decorator. Okay, this one I highlight the text. So in the code, you see here the app root. The root decorator associated with URL with the hello function, which returns the string hello world as the response. Finally, we start the Flask development server using app run. Next one, Django. Django is a high-level web framework written in Python. It follows the Model View Controller MVC architectural pattern and provides a comprehensive set of tools and features for building complex web applications. Let's see an example of simple Django application. So here we go. You see here is lines of code for created simple Django applications. In this Django example, we import the necessary modules and define the view function hello that returns an HTTP response object with the content hello world and map it to the root URL using the URL patterns list. Okay, there is a function hello with the request parameter. Okay, to run the Django application, we use execute from command line method, which starts the development server. Both Flask and Django provide robust routing mechanisms, templating engines for rendering dynamic web pages, and database integration. Additionally, they offer features like form handling, user authentication, and session management, which are essential for building web applications. And the conclusion, Flask and Django are popular web development frameworks that simplify the process of building web applications. Flask is lightweight and flexible, while Django is a feature-rich and suitable for complex projects. By leveraging these frameworks, developers can quickly create powerful web applications with minimal efforts. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I recommend you to open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT bot to provide information about Flask and Django frameworks. So see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.